Hi, my name's John, amateur radio call sign M7CPT. Welcome to Amateur Radio on the Air. Mike Fright and Key Fright are nothing new. They're basically the same thing as what the actors used to call stage fright. The fear wasn't in walking on stage, it was in opening the mouth in front of so many people and everyone that was listening. Everyone gets it from time to time. Don't worry about it. There is an easy way to resolve the issue. Actors will practice with the scripts in front of a mirror so they can see what they look like as well as hear. We fortunately do not require the mirror. Nobody can see you on the radio. So just over here I placed a script that I obtained from Essex Ham, and we can use this exactly the same way as actors do. Simply follow through the scripts, replacing your call sign and their call sign with the relevant information, and relax, enjoy it. Now, I haven't found a script for Morse coders yet, however it will be very similar. Just once you practice and you've got what you consider a good speed, find a section of the band where they're doing Morse at a speed you can understand. Then use this, listen to them, work out from what they're saying what their script is. Everyone has one. Use their scripts to talk back to them. Finally, the last piece of advice I'll give you is try not to think about what you're saying. Look at the scripts, learn the scripts as much as you can, read through it a couple of times. Don't overthink it. Just pick up the microphone and call CQ. Now there are some buttons below the video. Have fun with them and leave any comments that you may have. And all that leaves me to say is catch you on the air.